So guys, how to place two divs side by side? It's really simple. On the left side we have our basic code and on the right side we have our output. To place two divs side by side, at first we need a container or parent div. So slash div, give it a class name like container, is totally up to you. Then inside this we need to place the divs we want side by side. So the first one less than div less than slash div. So this is our first div, div 01, copy, paste. Second div, let's add some background color so that we can see the divs areas clearly. So background color, suppose gray for div 1, for div 2 pink. Now go inside the style section where we put our CSS and call for the class container dot container, opening brace, closing brace, give it some space. Then inside write display clone grid. With this our container will follow the grid layout rules. Then write grid template dash columns clone. First parameter, suppose we want div 1 to take the 30% of the total width. For that 30%. Then the second one remaining 70%. Semicolon, save the document and reload. See, it's really that simple. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.